Okay, this video is on how to export your favorites from Internet Explorer. If you're an Internet Explorer user, as I've said in the past, I highly recommend you moving to another browser like Firefox, as all of our Moodle information is optimized for the use of Firefox, and most drive-by downloads that infect your computer are, or at least the vast majority of them, are targeted at Internet Explorer users. That being said, if you use Internet Explorer, before we migrate to new hard drives, you need to back your favorites up if you don't want to lose them. And by favorites, I mean all your shortcuts here that you see under favorites. And you can see I don't have any other than the default ones. But how to export those? You go File, and down to Import, Export. And it says, do you want to import? You want to go down to the third option, which is Export. And when you get your new hard drive, you want to do the opposite. You want to do import. Okay, so right now we're just going to export to a file, and you say next. And you want to export your favorites, and you say next. What favorites? Just let them do them all. Next. Where do you want to back them up to? Now, right now, it defaults into My Documents. So if you've already moved all your stuff to your T drive, you would want to browse to your T drive by going to My Computer and selecting your T drive, and then backing it up there. So if I hit save, I might want to even put the date on there, like February 2013, so I know what bookmarks they are. Do hit save, and now it's going to put it in my T drive on a file called Bookmark February 2013, and I hit export. And it says you have successfully exported these settings. If I was on my new machine and wanted to go back, I just do the opposite. I go File, Import, Export. I want to import, then Next. My favorites, Next. And it says where, from where, where's that file? And then you would browse again to your computer, to your T drive, and look at that bookmark, February 2013. You'd say open, and then you'd say next, and I will go ahead and show you that import, and then if I click it again, it's going to redo those. I'm not going to do that right now. That's all it takes to export and import your favorites from Internet Explorer. Again, I highly recommend you use Firefox, which is our one that we want you to use the most here at National Internal, but if that's not the case, that's how you do it. This is also how you can get them from Internet Explorer to Firefox. If you export them like this, you can import them into Firefox and then move them all in one location as well. So that's Internet Explorer.